The Social Security system has just made an official announcement that will bring tremendous relief to millions of Filipino retirees and pensioners across the country. After months of anticipation and speculation, the SSS has confirmed that pension payments will see a substantial increase of 18,000 pesos starting this February 2026. This development marks one of the most significant adjustments to pension benefits in recent years and demonstrates the government's commitment to improving the quality of life for our senior citizens who have dedicated their working years to building the nation. For years, pensioners have voiced their concerns about the rising cost of living and how their current pension amounts struggle to keep pace with inflation. The prices of basic necessities, medical care, utilities, and housing have all increased dramatically, while pension amounts have remained relatively stagnant. Many retirees find themselves making difficult choices between purchasing medications, paying for utilities, or putting food on the table. This new increase comes at a critical time when Filipino seniors need it most, offering them a chance to live with greater dignity and financial security during their retirement years. The 18,000 peso increase represents a game-changing adjustment that will directly impact the monthly budgets of countless Filipino families. This is not just a number on paper, but real money that will help grandparents afford better health care, parents enjoy a more comfortable retirement, and families reduce the financial burden of supporting elderly relatives. The SSS has emphasized that this increase reflects their understanding of the economic challenges facing pensioners and their determination to provide meaningful support that makes a tangible difference in daily life. Understanding who qualifies for this increase is essential for all current and future pensioners. The benefit will apply to all registered SSS pensioners who are receiving monthly pension payments as of February 2026. This includes those who retired under the regular retirement program, those receiving disability pensions, and the surviving dependents who collect death benefits. The SSS has made it clear that eligible pensioners will automatically receive the increased amount without needing to file additional applications or visit SSS offices. The system has been designed to ensure seamless implementation and delivery of these enhanced benefits. The calculation of how this increase will be distributed takes into account various factors, including the pensioner's total contributions, years of service, and the type of pension being received. While the 18,000 peso figure represents the maximum increase that qualifying pensioners can receive, the actual amount each individual gets may vary based on their specific circumstances. Those with longer contribution histories and higher previous salary credits can expect to see larger increases in their monthly pension checks. The SSS has developed a comprehensive formula that ensures fairness and proportionality in distributing these enhanced benefits across all eligible pensioners. The timeline for implementation has been carefully planned to ensure smooth delivery of these increased payments. Starting February 2026, pensioners will begin seeing the enhanced amounts reflected in their monthly pension distributions. For those who receive their pensions through direct bank deposits, the increased amounts will automatically appear in their accounts on their designated payment dates. Pensioners who collect their benefits through check disbursement or over-the-counter payment facilities will also receive the full increased amount according to their regular payment schedules. The SSS has coordinated with all partner banks and payment centers to guarantee that the system can handle this significant adjustment without delays or disruptions. The financial impact of this increase extends beyond the individual pensioners themselves. When seniors have more money to spend, entire communities benefit from the economic activity this generates. Local markets, pharmacies, small businesses, and service providers will all see increased patronage as pensioners gain greater purchasing power. This multiplier effect means that the 18,000 peso increase serves not only as social welfare, but also as economic stimulus that circulates through local economies and supports jobs and businesses throughout the Philippines. Behind this landmark decision lies years of advocacy from pensioner groups, senior citizen organizations, and legislators who have championed the cause of retirement security. These advocates have consistently highlighted the gap between pension amounts and the actual cost of living, presenting data and personal stories that illustrate the daily struggles of Filipino retirees. Their persistent efforts have finally resulted in this substantial increase, proving that organized advocacy and sustained pressure on government institutions can lead to meaningful policy changes that improve lives. The SSS has also addressed concerns about the sustainability of this increased pension payment. Many people wonder whether the system can afford to maintain these higher benefit levels over the long term. According to SSS actuaries and financial planners, the organization has conducted extensive analysis of its investment portfolio, contribution collections, and projected obligations. The decision to implement this increase was made only after confirming that the SSS fund remains actuarially sound and capable of meeting its commitments to current and future generations of pensioners. The organization has diversified its investments and improved collection efficiency to ensure the long-term viability of the pension system. For current workers who are still contributing to SSS, this announcement sends an encouraging message about the value of maintaining regular contributions throughout their careers. Knowing that the system can deliver substantial benefits during retirement provides strong motivation to keep contributions current and even consider voluntary contributions to maximize future pension amounts. The SSS has been actively promoting financial literacy programs that help workers understand how their current contributions translate into future retirement security. And this pension increase serves as a powerful real-world example of the system delivering on its promises. The processing and verification systems that SSS has put in place ensure that only legitimate pensioners receive the increased benefits. The organization has upgraded its database management systems and implemented advanced verification protocols to prevent fraud and ensure that every peso reaches its intended recipient. Pensioners can have confidence that their personal information is secure and that the disbursement process maintains the highest standards of accuracy and integrity. This technological infrastructure represents a significant investment in modernizing the Social Security system for the benefit of all stakeholders. Regional SSS offices across the Philippines have been preparing for the expected increase in inquiries and requests for information following this announcement. Additional staff members have been trained, operating hours have been extended at some locations, and customer service protocols have been updated to handle the surge in pensioner concerns and questions. The SSS encourages pensioners who have questions about their specific situation to visit their local office, call the SSS hotline, or access information through the official SSS website and mobile application. All of these channels have been reinforced to provide accurate, timely assistance to pensioners seeking clarification about their enhanced benefits. The emotional and psychological impact of this increase should not be underestimated. For many elderly Filipinos, financial insecurity creates constant stress and anxiety that affects their overall health and well-being. Knowing that their pension will increase by 18,000 pesos provides not just material relief, but also peace of mind and a sense of being valued by society. This psychological benefit can translate into better health outcomes, increased social participation, and an overall improvement in quality of life that extends beyond mere financial considerations. Looking forward, this pension increase may set a precedent for how the government approaches social welfare for senior citizens in the coming years. It demonstrates that substantial improvements in pension benefits are possible when there is political will, sound financial management, and effective advocacy. Future pension adjustments may build on this foundation, creating a more responsive system that can adapt to changing economic conditions and the evolving needs of the aging population. The SSS has indicated that it will continue monitoring economic indicators and pensioner welfare to determine when additional adjustments might be necessary. The confirmation of this 18,000 peso increase in SSS pension payments represents a historic moment for Filipino retirees and a significant step toward greater retirement security for all citizens. As February 2026 approaches, millions of pensioners can look forward to enhanced financial stability and the ability to live their retirement years with greater comfort and dignity. This development reminds us all of the importance of social security systems that honor the contributions of workers throughout their careers and provide meaningful support when they need it most.